Morning, guys. This is day 4, and I'm looking at this little baby Brahma across the street. And there's another one. We're in LaGrange, Texas this morning. There's a bunch of them. And we're at our motel, starting our day 4. Figured I'd bring you guys in. And say hi.
Hey.
There's Polar Bear Ed and Twisted V Twin. We're getting ready to leave. We're heading who knows where. Probably to Louisiana today. And we'll bring you back after we get back on the road. Have a great day.
Alright everybody, riding down the road. These cowboys out here are riding something really unusual. I had to turn around and go back. These look like zebras, not horses. But I'll tell you what, it's something to see. There's a bunch of zebras out in this field. Zoom way back over there in the back. And there's some red stags out there with some really nice racks on them. And when I say racks, I'm saying horns on their heads. Don't take it the wrong way. But look at them red stags out there. They got some nice racks on their head. Never seen anything like this. I guess only in Texas I'm going to see this. Everything's moving around so much it's unbelievable. But alright, we'll bring you back when we find some more interesting stuff. Hey guys, we're driving down the road and look at these weird looking cows out here in the field. Never seen anything like that around us. Oh man, there's a whole bunch of them coming across the field. Oh boy, that's a mighty big cow. I think it's called a buffalo. Look at all of them coming down.
Oh look, we even got a baby.
Yeah, got some baby ones out there, big ones. Holy smokes. So we're going to keep on driving and see what else we find out here. Unbelievable. So y'all stay tuned and we'll keep you updated on some of our finds.
Hey guys, look at this. There's a white buffalo. Never seen one ever before. Must be an albino.
That's the only
Check
white
that
buffalo
out.
in the whole field.
It's the only white buffalo in the whole field. That must be its mother it's with, because it keeps stopping right with the mother. Look at that. We'll bring you back for more.
Get it? Oh yeah.
Look at this deer. It's an exotic deer. They're all fenced in. Figured we'd take a picture of him. You can see his horns a little bit. So it's not a doe. So we'll look around and see what else we come and find. And check out this sign. That is really cool. So we don't know if it's a hunting facility or
I think it's a
if they
hunting
just
range.
raise the exotic deer. We'll bring you back for some more.
That is sharp.
Here's some more of the exotic deer. Look at this guy with the horns. Tell us what kind he is. Look at all of them. Babies.
Whenever you guys look at this video, let us know. Leave us a comment. Let us know what kind of deer we're looking at here.
Look at them horns.
Boy, is that nice.
Hey everybody, I figured we'd bring you back real quick. We're in
Houston,
downtown Houston. Pretty nice looking area. Figured we'd show you a little bit of it. There you go. We'll bring you back again. Hey everybody, check this out. We're at the port. It's right outside of Houston. Figured we'd video a little bit. We're right up to the water. And there's a boat over here going out. See if I can get it. Better view. Figured we'd bring you guys and check all this out. Look at all the cranes for offloading all these barges. Here's a couple boats. Just sitting here waiting. Figured we'd just show you guys this. We'll bring you back later. There you go, look at the size of these tugboats. Those things are massive.
Couple guys on deck there getting that one ready to go out.
Well, when we were coming down, it looked like this thing here is like a ferry thing to drive
Yep.
right out.
There you go. They're getting ready to take off.
You see the ramp right there to drive up onto the barges that are sticking up in the air right beside the tugboat
Oh, okay.
for like a ferry boat.
Oh, check that out.
It's pretty cool. And we'll go find some more stuff now.
Look at this whole fleet of barges.
Five of them. So
Tugboats.
there goes one out now. See him back there in the cab coming through.
Yep, and there's one coming through.
Lots of petroleum pushed out of this. These are smoking, so he's pushing.
Yep, he's got a barge on.
Yep,
He's
got
pushing
a
a
bunch of
barge.
barges tied together. Moving down through there. Should have stayed down there at the other gate. You would have seen him good. Pushing down through.
Yep.
But you can tell by the exhaust coming out, the blackness. But the wind's blowing that way, so it should be. So, there we go.
Look at that.
The tugboat. That's what picks
They
the
can
tugboat up and brings it into the dry dock.
In 1 mile. When possible,
And
make a
here's-
U-turn.
The shipyard.
Yep.
Look at the palm trees.
When possible, make a U-turn.
Boy, that's a good
A lot of barges here.
Oh yeah. This is the back side of what we was videoing over there on that side of the port.
When possible.
Hey everybody, we're back. We're in Belmont. Getting ready to go into Louisiana here in a few.
Oh, the same.
This is all the rail cars underneath of us. Figured we'd bring you back and tell you where we are. We'll let you know when we get into Louisiana.
Okay, Brandon, this is for you. We're at the Whataburger. So,
Here it is.
Sandy just went and got the Whataburger. So, there it is. That's where
There
we're
you go,
at.
Brandon. Now,
Alright, Brandon, we got the Whataburger. She got me a double, and this is a big burger, but really good. Good call.
I'm eating the mushroom Swiss one. It's delicious. Thanks, Brandon.
they got it. They like the Whataburger. We'll bring you back.
Green sign. We are in Louisiana.
We made it. Check it out. We are in Louisiana. Is that the swamps?
Yes, ma'am.
And there's some swamps. We'll bring you back. Hey y'all, check out this bridge. We're coming up to it. And I guess we gotta go up it. I'm not looking forward to it because it's really high in the air. Looks like a dang roller coaster. Oceans.
So we can
And guess what? Here we go.
hear that clicking. We're climbing the tower.
And look. Look out there. Woo-wee.
Up, up, and away.
Oh, jeez.
Look at all that.
We're still climbing.
We're still climbing and look at the water. Wow, they're building a motel right there.
I mean, look at that. We're still going uphill. Just about to the top.
Okay, here, everybody. Where's Sam's garage? He would dive off of this bridge into the water.
Oh yeah.
Sam, are you up here?
And look at all that. Beautiful scenery.
Wow. That bridge is high.
Now we're going down the other side.
Look at the water all back over in there. The houses are built on stilts over there. See them?
Look at the water. Yep.
What have we got? Some
It's all
kites. They're
around
out here
us.
flying these big kites. Look how big them things are. They got a few laying on the ground. They ain't got in the air yet. Kite flying day.
And there's the water.
Some people out there swimming in the water.
Beautiful scenery. Can't wait to get on the airboat tomorrow and go look for gators. We'll bring you
Find
back.
some. Like dirt around these fields.
That's rice
Yeah,
fields.
that's what I thought was rice, and they flood them.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what we was thinking.
Yep. They drill them first.
Do a couple of them right off the bat.
Alrighty.
I got a couple for Johnny too.
Oh. Okay. Good. One can go on my board, and then one can go when I get my board, and then one go on my 2-box.
And guess what? My camera wasn't rolling, so
It wasn't.
we ran into Cajun and Johnny in Louisiana.
Coming down the road. Imagine that.
Yeah, they was thumping
Check
out
that
here.
out.
Oh yeah. All right.
And whenever I get,
Oh, thank
when I get mine redone, I will.
We're going to visit and bring you right back.
Okay.